Polymarkets feel like trading, but most people are just guessing. Prediction markets are blowing up. Polymarkets, Kalshi, elections, crypto events, and micro bets. But the reality is simple. Most traders lose. And not because the markets don't work, but because people trade opinions instead of information. The traders who consistently win do one thing different. They follow data, timing, and smart money. That's why today I'm going to show you one of these tools called TradeFox that will give you edge over other traders. TradeFox Analytics and Copy Trading Bot for Polymarket and Kalshi. It helps identify top-performing traders, track wallet activity, and spot high-conviction trades before the odds go fully adjust. Instead of guessing outcomes, you will see where the biggest traders are placing biggest trades. First of all, if you want to start using TradeFox Trading Bot, I would recommend you to use my link in description, because with this link you get discount on all the future trading fees and also additional cashbacks and rewards. Basically more money in your pocket and also helping out my channel. After that, you have a really simple sign up process. You just sign up by using email. Once you're in, you have multiple different options, and right now I will take you through all the settings, all the menus. I'll explain you how I personally use this bot and what is the best way to actually beat prediction markets. First up, we have this lightning button where you can find all the prediction trades we have active right now, and we have all the filtering options. If you ever traded meme coins, it's really similar. If you never did that, again, I will show you how everything works. But in my opinion, prediction markets are here to stay, and meme coins have these crazy cycles. So I think this is way more serious, and learning this skill could be way more valuable for you long term. So on that, you can see we have all the different markets. We have, of course, lots of wars. We have lots of politics. We have also sports right here. And on top, we have some really powerful filters to actually filter out all of these, I would say, low quality markets. So first up, you can actually see the events. So basically all the different trades for different events or for different markets. Next up, we have two of the most popular venues or platforms. We have Polymarkets and Kalshi. You can actually select both of them and see all the trades from both platforms. You can see the different logos next to it. But for now, let's keep it simple. Let's keep it a Polymarket, because if you learn Polymarkets, Kalshi is almost the same. Next up, we can filter out these trades by probability percentages. So you can see lots of these trades actually have 99% probability, because these are crazy. We have Mr. Beast becoming a president, which is of course not really possible, but and also it's pretty long trade. I would never recommend you do that. And you can actually filter out, for example, 40-60%. And these will be the trades with more risk, but also more reward. And if you're making informed decision, or if you find some insiders, these will be way more profitable. But again, for now, let's keep it at all. Next up, we have the volume. So for this, I would recommend you going above 100K. Again, if you're going for a really small niche and really small trade, you can go lower. But usually when you're copying insiders, they go for these, I would say, bigger trades with bigger volumes and bigger liquidity. Let's keep it at all. Next up, we have dates. And this will differ from person to person, because you can make these really long-term predictions, which could be profitable long-term, but you are kind of locking up your capital. So I would not recommend going above 1 month. Again, you can see it's 30 days, I think 7 days. And actually for the insiders and copy trading, the big action comes, I would say, like just before the trade closes, like last hours, or around like 24 hours before the trade closes. That's why I never recommend you going these long-term predictions, because you wait for a long time, you lock up your capital, and also the insiders can change up these odds last minutes. Next up, we have market age. So basically when the market was created, and we have different categories, again, sports, politics. Actually, if you're really into sports, we even have sports mode, which is really similar to sports betting. We have all the most popular sports. We even have esports, League of Legends, NBA, soccer, UFC. So you can find all the sporting events in one place. But for me, I really prefer to stay in the markets and events, because there's more insiders, more insider movement, and this allows you to copy these insiders and make money on their smart moves. So basically, this is Lightning. Again, you can see all the settings, all the filters. You can filter by trading, you can filter by Trump, politics, sport. Next up, before we talk about the biggest feature of this platform, is copy trading, where the big money is made. I forgot to mention how to actually deposit funds. So to do that, you can find right here, deposit, select what markets, Polymarkets, continue, select transfer crypto or connect wallet. You can actually transfer crypto, select what cryptocurrency, for example, USDC and Solana, and you can send USDC on this network to this wallet, and the money will appear in your wallet. Really simple, but I had to mention it. So now let's move to the money maker, which is copy trading. And one really cool thing about TradeFox it helps you find these insiders because they have this button Find Traders and can find all the biggest and most profitable traders. For example, let's check out one of the wallets I personally have been following. So on number 15, we have this wallet RN1. This wallet made $4.2 million. When you click on it, you get all the statistics about the wallet. So you can see in the past 24 hours, this wallet made $47,000. In the past 7 days, this wallet made almost $500,000. And in the past month, this wallet made $2 million, which is pretty insane. Also, on that, you can see all the current positions this wallet is holding. Also, the full trading history. And if you want to copy this trader, just click Copy all trades. You can select fixed mode and also percentage modes. With the fixed mode, you can actually select the exact amount you want to copy the trade. So you can see fixed amount per trade. You can actually input how much do you want to copy. And also you can mirror the trader, or you can actually have some manual settings. With the percentage, it's really similar, but you select what percentage of the trade you're copying you want to copy. So basically, how much of the trade you want to copy. If you select 100%, you're going to be copying 1-to-1, but you can also select the minimum amount and also maximum amount of funds per trade. Same goes for the fixed and for the percentage mode. So for example, if you had this bot 1 month ago, you found this trader, you entered right here, you already made 100% on your funds just by copy trading. But again, guys, remember it's extremely risky because these traders can lose at any moment. There's no 100% guarantee. Trading is extremely risky. That's why never invest more than you can lose. Really important disclaimer. So after that, you can go again to copy, find more traders. You can also input manual wallets and actually analyze them and see how they're doing. So again, this is a really powerful tool because first of all, you can find all the different markets. You can filter out these markets and find the best deals in the market. For example, you can go to bonding sort, to big movers. You can see some of the outliers because this means someone made really big moves, probably insider. So for example, if you click on this, will Trump say world peace? This we can see we have really big move. And there's a possibility there's some insider who knows what kind of script he's reading, or maybe some whale just dropping big funds. Again, this is a really outlier because you can see how sharp the chart move. And for example, if you want to do normal trades, for example, if you believe that something is happening, you can also do it on the TradeFox platform. Again, we have this trade, we have the chances, we have liquidity, we have the volume, so all the information is available. Next up, we have the odds. So for example, if you think he will not say it, you can click no, you can see the odds. So for this example, if you trade $9 and you are right, you can get $117. But the odds are not on your side because there's big activity saying that this will happen. Again, this is all speculation, it's all predictions, it's prediction market, so there's always risk. But in my opinion, this is a no-brainer bot because it costs nothing and you're getting additional analysis, additional data, outliers, big wallets, you can copy them in one platform. Also, we have limit orders and we have some professional features for more advanced traders. You can see right here, Pro. We have trailing stop, which is really powerful, and I usually use this feature. And if we're talking about advanced features and professional communities, we actually just launched free community for all the Polymarkets and prediction market traders. You can find the link in description, where we discuss all the latest trades, all the latest alpha, and also show you all the best tools available for the prediction markets. You can find the link in description. It's still free. So after that, we also have tournaments, which is really cool place because you can actually find some good insiders there. So right now they have a trading tournament, 13 days left, basically who will accumulate the most volume. And you can see all the traders that are participating in this tournament. And this allows you to find some, again, powerful traders. For example, this trader, let's see how he's doing. Again, this trader is losing, but number one actually is performing pretty good. In the last 30 days, he's up almost 8,000%. And again, if you want to copy, you can just copy trade any of the traders available on the Polymarkets and Kalshi platform. So guys, if you like the platform, you can find the link in description because this will give you discount on all the future fees using this trading bot. And also, if you go to portfolio, you are getting higher cashback on all your future trades. So basically, when you trade, you're also getting cashbacks. So again, guys, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this and join our free Discord, link in description and top comments. See you next time.